So today we're loading the pickup with a load of sand that I have. And this is going down to Blue Jay, and this will be the base for our raising the sidewalk up next week. Bear with me, I don't have the GoPro. So, a couple things when you do this. One, you make sure you got your seatbelt on, because that bucket is going higher than your center of gravity. Two, you got to really feel comfortable with knowing your tractor and everything you do it slowly. Okay? You do not want to run that push bar into the side of your pickup truck. Then you would have been better off to have somebody come and do this for you. I've got to get the bucket over a little bit so I'm not hitting. And this bucket on the 1025R, as you can see, fits in back here pretty nicely. So that's going to be our project. We're going to throw a load of dirt on here. I'm going to have to watch the weight more than anything going on the truck. I want to take as much as I can down to our duplex in Rib Mountain. Trying to clean this up too. I kind of blew the leaves out of the way. So, of course, got her in four-wheel drive. And this is some of the sand that came out of the Four Seasons basement. We're going to have, we've got a couple of roots and stuff in there. We'll get that cleaned up in the near future here. We can get that as we kind of unload it. Yes, I got to unload this with a shovel today. Not looking forward to that. And if I don't have enough pure sand over there, I can grab it from that huge pile we got in back here. But we're taking a full load down to Blue Jay, which is roughly 45 miles. So I should make sure that we're all within the state limits for what this truck is supposed to haul. But, of course I won't. With that said, hit that subscribe button and keep watching our videos that we make on Road and the Project Specialist, where every day is something new. Road and the Project Specialist. Today's project, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But today's project is we are taking a load of sand that's left over from our three-season room that we're building, and we're taking that down to Blue Jay, which is approximately 45 miles away. That's down in Rib Mountain. And as you know, we're raising the sidewalks up, trying to take care of a little bit of a roof water drainage issue that we have there. So we're raising the sidewalk. Part of it has to be this stuff right here. Check out the longer video of this, and check out the other videos at Road and the Project Specialist. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And life is full of projects. Okay, so it's about 10:12 in the morning. We've got our load of sand down here. Brought it down with the F-150. A little bit of a sketchy drive down, to be honest. Wouldn't recommend doing what I did, but, you know, I don't think that much sand on there was really that big of an issue, but it was a full load. So we got that down set for next week. We got storms coming in this afternoon, and so we beat the weather, going to Menards to do a little bit of shopping right now for a buddy of mine, and then head it back up north. But we got this in place. We keep moving along on our project to raise the sidewalk and eliminate the water from coming in up front. I'm going to stop up front, just do a little bit of dirt movement up there, and then I'm out of here. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.